this? Yes, buds. What is that? What is that? Maybe. Dale, dale. Yes, papa. Yes, mama. Ale, 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 ale. Baby, look at the bear. This is bear. A teddy bear. What do you want to call your bear? How are you then, Lex? What are you gonna say? I'm fine. How are you today? Ask. Dun, 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 dun. What? What? Baby dolly, ow, 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 ow. Out through the town. That everybody. Opo. Di man ikaw mag-cry because nag-send man sana ako kay Lola Maming man po. Nag-birthday mo. Opo, ma. Ay, nag-birthday mo po ni Lola Maming baga. Nag-read naman po tayo. Diba nag-sing tayo? Opo. Say happy birthday na, Lola Maming po. Happy birthday po, Lola Maming. Huwag mo po ikaw mag-cry. Oy, very good man ang bata. Opo. Oh, yes. Opo man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, Papa. Mag-ano tayo kay Lola Maming? You want to talk to Lola Maming? Opo. Say happy birthday na po, Tito Lola Maming. Apo, Lola Maming, happy birthday po. Oh no. Ba't man sila ikaw mag-cry? Nagsulat-sulat pa si mama and then nag-cry-cry na ikaw. Ow! Opo man. Nag-edit-edit man si mama and then nag-cry na po ikaw. So mama said it na. Posted na. Okay, say bye-bye na sana to the vlog. Say bye-bye to everybody. Bye, Lula Maming po. Say bye-bye na ikaw. Apo man. Aya. So you want to talk to Papa? Where's Papa, buddy? Buddy, where's Papa? Papa, 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 buddy, 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 I love you. Where is your daddy, daddy? How are you? Say, how are you, daddy? Daddy, 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 how are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm good, thank you. Say hi, 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 hi. How are you, Daddy? How are you today? How are you today? How are you? How are you? How are you? Baba, baba, baba. Opo. Okay, you get na, Daddy? Okay, you get na? He's your friend, right? Ay, babo. Yeah. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye to them. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.